Believe it or not, spring is just 2 months away, and it's a time when many people buy their first home or upsize or downsize. But before you can start packing, getting your finances in order is a must. Joining us today is mortgage man Mark. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
All right. Everyone wants to know, where are mortgage rates going?
I think they're going to stay steady.
Okay.
I don't see a significant drop coming in the future. I'm really hoping not for an increase. We'll see what the Bank of Canada decides on the 26th. It's not going to affect my business too much in terms of, I always say to clients, the rate is not what you should focus on. It's more, what are you trying to achieve with your mortgage?
Okay.
It's not just the home purchase or the refinance.
Okay.
So there's other factors.
Let's talk about qualifying. What prevents some people from not qualifying for a mortgage?
So the top two, I would say, is just before they're ready to qualify or apply for a mortgage, they've leased a car or they've done a big purchase, whether it's an ATV, a Sea-Doo. They don't realize that that affects their borrowing power. That's number one. Or they switch careers. So people think, oh, I got a new job. It is a dramatic issue for the banks because they don't like to see inconsistency in work. So those are the two major ones that pop out. Other than that, everybody that comes in, when we sit down, we do our analysis, it's pretty easy to break it down for people. The newest thing I like to tell people is you don't just have to qualify the traditional way. There's other opportunities other than A banks. There's something called a B bank, which you can qualify in a different way.
Right.
So that provides new buyers a different opportunity to get in the housing market.
Are those rates going to be higher, though?
They are going to be slightly higher,
Okay.
but again, it's more geared towards self-employed. So most self-employed people, the way they do their taxes, it's harder for them to qualify if you walk into a branch. When you come to a broker, we provide other options to you, and there's a different way to qualify, so you can still get the same home, but you're paying a slightly higher rate. But again, it's not about the rate. Is your goal home ownership? So if it is, there is a way to get there. You don't have to be negative and say, oh, I can't get into the housing market.
Right. Qualifying is one thing. Being comfortable with that payment eventually is another, right?
100%. What I preach to all my clients and all my agents is knowledge is power, and talk about affordability. So the biggest thing when a client comes in, it's what are you comfortable paying monthly for your mortgage? Because we do an analysis and we break down what other bills are you going to incur. Forget the property taxes, the utilities. What about cable? Rogers bills, Bell bills, they're getting expensive. Other life expenses. Do you have a car payment? Do you have car insurance? So once you add all that up and we show them in the spreadsheet, well, now their decision is a little bit different. It's not so much geared towards what is my max qualifying.
Right.
It's more, I'm comfortable spending this amount. And that allows us to give them an accurate printout of this is what you could afford based on your requests.
Yeah, no one wants to be house poor, for sure.
That's right.
Got about 45 seconds. What are you expecting out of this spring market? Is it going to be active?
I hope it is. I think everybody's a little nervous right now with everything that's going around in the world. We don't know what the Bank of Canada is going to do. But again, it's up to you what you want to do. I always tell the clients, it's your decision. It's not a good or a bad time to sell. What works for you? So every client is individual, and they should focus on themselves in that regard. Don't listen to the noise, because if it's good for you, then it is good for you. It's not good for me, that's fine. So I think that's a big thing I stress with clients.
All right, great tips from Mortgage Man Mark. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
All right, more Morning Live coming up after the break. Good morning.